briefly introduce how to use the tour guide system TT122. Turn on the receiver and transmitter. Press and hold the key for 3 seconds, and the channel mode is turned on after turning on. Long press to lock the screen, to prevent accidental touch to change the channel during use, the same, then long press to unlock. Press the key once to press the A and keys to increase or decrease the channel volume. Press the key again to enter the channel mode. Press in channel mode to adjust the channel up or down. The frequency locking and unlocking methods of the receiver and transmitter are the same. Long press the volume. The receiver and transmitter are tuned in the same way. In the volume mode, long press the volume key to mute. Repeat the operation to cancel the mute mode. The receiver and transmitter can be paired successfully when the channel is not locked. After the pairing is successful, the transmitter adjusts the channel again. The receiver will adjust accordingly. Press and hold the key to switch off.